Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is 18F819A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Alloy wheels wrapped with Firestone destination tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touch screen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats. 3 USB ports and a regular plug so you can charge any of your devices. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23, or you can visit us online at holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.